Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Al-Fahim. I am a student of As-Suffah English Medium Madrasa. Today I would like to say something from Quran and Hadith. The Prophet Muhammad said in Hadith, Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim. Seeking the knowledge of the religion is obligatory upon every Muslim. The Prophet Muhammad said in another Hadith, Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allama. The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Iqra bismi rabbika allazi khalaqa. Read in the name of your Lord who has created you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I have created the jinn kind and mankind only for my worship. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Which one of the favors of your Lord will you deny? That's all for today. Please pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.